My name is Dr. Parneesh Arora. I am Senior Consultant Cardiology based at Fortis Hospital, Noida. Blood pressure is of two varieties. One is two causes. One is idiopathic or essential hypertension. So idiopathic is the common variety, 90% cases. The etiology or the cause behind it is in your genetics, and it is precipitated by lifestyle factors. For example, lack of exercise, obesity, or mental stress. These are the common things which precipitate in presence of underlying risk factors. The second variety or the cause is secondary hypertension. Now, secondary hypertension has, in addition, various causes behind it. The most common one is renal causes, means kidney-linked blood pressure. The kidney-linked blood pressure can happen because of chronic kidney disease, can happen because of narrowing of the vessels of the kidney, which is called as renovascular hypertension. These are the two common garden variety of renal hypertension. Then you can have endocrinal causes, for example, thyroid issues, hypothyroidism, hyperthyroidism, pheochromocytomas. These are some of the endocrinal causes. Then you have hypertension occurring as a cause occurring as a result of multi-system disorders, for example, SLE, connective tissue disorders. These can give rise to blood pressure also. And similarly, there are other causes like ingestion of drugs which can increase your blood pressure. Hence, these causes may account for about 5 to 10% of cases. The remedy is lifestyle management and then drug management. There are clear-cut guidelines available when to start drugs straight away. Usually in the young population, less than 60 years of age, according to current guidelines, we start with drug therapy, and in patients above 60 years of age, the indication of starting is usually more than 160/90. So lifestyle includes changes in the exercising pattern, in your diet pattern. You should exercise at least 45 minutes to an hour daily, at least 5 days a week. The dietary pattern should include moderation of salt intake, which means the salt intake should be restricted. Number 2, avoiding alcohol or restricting the quantity of alcohol. Taking plenty of fresh fruits and vegetables, legumes, nuts, and low-fat dairy products. So these are some of the things which help in reducing the blood pressure, and lifestyle modification may help in bringing down the blood pressure by about 5 to 8 millimeter by itself. Medicines are best left to the treating physician. There are a lot of medications available, at least 5 to 6 groups of medications are available, and the choice is made after seeing the patient's characteristics, and it is best left to your physician which drug he wants to prescribe.